Hi guys, welcome to my England flag skull makeup tutorial. So to start off with, I mapped out the skull mask area using white face paint, and then I coloured in the area in white. And then using a red face paint, I drew on the England cross. And then once I'd done that, I outlined my lips with a dark red lip liner and added some red lipstick. I then went into a black eyeshadow on a flat eyeshadow brush and started to add some shading to the skull. So I added the jawline and also shaded around where the mask is. Then darkened some of these details using a black face paint. Also painted on a black skull nose. Using lots of water mixed with my red and white paints, I dripped them down my neck. Using this rose one stroke from Silly Farm, I added a rose to the centre of my chest. I wanted to add some footballs to the chest design, so I painted 2 circles and painted them in with white face paint, and then I went into a black eyeshadow and added shading around them to make them look more 3D, and then I used a black face paint and drew on the typical little black hexagon shapes, and I added some highlights and some shading. To finish off the chest design, I added some double dip flowers using white and red paint, and then I added some little dots to tie it all in together. I went back into the black eyeshadow and just deepened the shading around the mask to make it look a bit more 3D. I also added some teeth to each side of the face just to make it look a bit more skull-like. I added some white highlights around the mask just to make it stand out a bit more. And then that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm glad I did it. Now England beat Colombia last night. Let's just hope that we beat Sweden next week. I hope you like my little twist on the typical flag face paint. Thank you for watching. Bye.